Ranking these One Piece characters based on who'd be a better addition to the Straw Hat crew. Aokiji, hey, he'd be pretty impressive, so I'm gonna put him at number 3. Hey, Aokiji, that man, he's a problem. Go read the manga. Koala, number 5. You know, Koala, man, she up there. She up there in the Revolutionaries. You know what I'm saying? She'd be a pretty good addition. I'm gonna put Moria though. I'm gonna put him at 4. Man, if it was Prime Moria or another Moria, I'd pick him. But yeah, I'm gonna leave him there. Carrot though, in terms of compatibility, I put her at number 2. Yeah, I'll put Carrot on top of Aokiji for that. Who's number 1 though? Mihawk. What do you guys think about this list?